Meaning of life force.
Life force.
Life force.
Life force.
Life force. The term life force refers to the concept of an energy or force that is believed to animate and sustain living beings. It is often associated with vitalism, the idea that living organisms possess a non-physical element or principle that distinguishes them from non-living things. The concept of life force can be found in many different cultures and belief systems, and has been used to explain a wide variety of phenomena related to health, vitality, and consciousness. However, the idea of life force is not universally accepted by modern science, which considers biological processes to be the result of complex chemical and physical interactions within the body.